And what I'm about to share with you is not for everyone. And if you're not at least 24 years old in a 9-to-5 job making at least $65K a year, if you don't care about your health, your energy, or the way that you show up in life, you can click away right now. This is for the skinny fat guy who knows that fitness and health matter, but you've been inconsistent for years and you can't seem to stick to a nutrition routine. You have big goals in your career, dating life, social life, but everything seems to keep getting in the way. 3 years ago, I was the guy hiding from his own reflection. And today I travel around the world running my own business. And I maintain a lean aesthetic physique year round. But it wasn't always like this. My rock bottom was when I moved to a new city for a new job, and I was completely alone, the job was tough, and I spiraled into emotional and binge eating. I lived right across from a grocery store, and every night I would buy family-sized bags of Cool Ranch Doritos and packs of frosted sugar cookies and eat them in bed while watching Netflix until I fell asleep. And at work, I ate double, triple portions of company lunch, I'd raid the office snacks and even take them home to keep eating. I was a shell of myself. Zero confidence at work, zero confidence in dating and in social settings. Low energy, could barely make it through the day, and I couldn't focus on a task for more than 15 minutes. That was my reality. You're at a company work event, everyone else is making connections, talking to leadership, building relationships, and you're hovering around the buffet, loading your plate, picking at the free food with low confidence or even motivation to even talk to these people. And then you go home, eat even more, and you weren't even hungry, and now you're just bloated, feel heavy and uncomfortable, and you scroll on your phone in bed until you fall asleep. Next weekend, you're at a family gathering. Someone asks, "So are you seeing anyone?" And you laugh it off and say, "Oh, work's been busy." But you know that's not the truth. The real answer is you don't feel confident enough to put yourself out there, and you tell yourself, if I was in a bit better shape, things would be different. And most mornings, your day starts the same way. You hit snooze not once, but 5 times, and before you even get out of bed, you're already tired. And then when you do, you stare at your body in the mirror and think about that old photo you saw just a few years back, and you think, how did it get to this point? At work, you can't even focus on a single task for more than 20 minutes. You're living on coffee, wired and exhausted at the same time, and you don't have the presence or confidence to speak up in meetings or push for promotions to actually be seen. So you go home, you're stressed, it's been a long day, and you tell yourself this would be the week that you finally get back to the gym. But instead, you eat junk food, order delivery, and tell yourself, I deserve this, I'll start next week. And then you go back to being glued to your phone until you fall asleep. Same story, same body, same years, same life. And if you do nothing for the next 5 years, nothing changes, except it only gets worse. You put on even more weight. Your energy is even lower. Your body aches even more than you used to, and it's harder to get out of bed, harder to walk up a flight of stairs without losing your breath. And if you're okay with that trajectory, you can close this video right now. But if you're still here, fill out the application while the rest of this video is playing. It takes about 3 minutes. And if you're a fit, you'll get a full game plan from me personally. You might be thinking, yeah, but how do I know this time will actually be different? Let me tell you what happened to me. I moved to Charlotte, North Carolina for a new job when I was lonely, overwhelmed, and I coped with food. I'd go to Costco, buy family-sized bags of potato chips, and I'd hit the Krispy Kreme across the street and crush donuts multiple times a week for months. And one day I snapped. I said, enough is enough. I'm gonna get in the best shape of my life. I went extreme, strict diet, hardcore workouts. I signed up for a marathon and I got lean, and honestly I looked fantastic. But then I slid right back into my old habits after that marathon. Chips, donuts, cookies, same cycle, same pain. And then I moved again, this time to Atlanta for a new sales job. And I got myself back into great shape, and the same thing happened again. Work got hard, being alone felt heavy, so I walked across to the grocery store, bought family-sized bags of Cool Ranch Doritos, frosted sugar cookies, and I fell back into my video game addiction and spending nights hiding from my own life. And the turning point was when I told myself, I'm only buying chips. And I did. I went to the store, bought some chips, brought them home, and ate them. And then I chose to go back to the same store to buy cookies and donuts, even though I told myself I wouldn't. And that was the moment I realized no amount of strict dieting, crazy workout plan, no 30-day challenge was going to fix this. Because the real problem wasn't the food, it was my self-image. It was who I believed that I was, and the habits and identity I was operating from. And until I changed that, nothing would ever stick. And once I understood this, I discovered a way of operating where being in shape became effortless. See, most plans out there will have you do some crazy diet, tell you can't eat your favorite foods, or that you need to be in the gym for 2 hours a day. And the people telling you that, they're injecting themselves with steroids and starving themselves. Now, I didn't want to do that. And so with my minimalism method, I have energy all day. My clarity is the best it's ever been, and I feel confident walking into any room and any social setting. And I still eat my favorite foods, and my workouts are 45 minutes max. Because I developed this system that works no matter if I'm on vacation, the holidays come around, work gets busy, I still maintain this as aesthetic physique. And that's why what I do with clients is not just another fitness program. It is a complete identity overhaul. Inside my world, the real transformation doesn't just happen when you get a meal plan. It happens when you decide to stop being the guy who backs out every time things get uncomfortable. There's always a moment where you either reach for another excuse, work is busy, maybe later, I need to think about it, or you choose ownership. I'm done living this way, I'm doing this. And the guys who make that second choice, they don't just lose weight, they get leaner than they've ever been. They start getting compliments instead of jokes. They show up sharper at work and start getting noticed. They have more fun socially because they're actually confident in their body. And the difference isn't the macros, it's the identity that they commit to. So how do we actually create that shift? Well, there are 3 key pillars that I build with every client. And the first is your self-image and vision. See, most guys try to change their body with the same identity. We do the opposite. We start with changing how you see yourself, because what you believe about your body and what you're capable of, that is going to make everything else fall in effortlessly. Your ideal version of who you actually are. And when we define that future you in detail, the guy who walks in the room and is seen, who doesn't hide under baggy shirts, who has options in dating, who has the respect of friends and family, we collapse that gap between who you are and that person. So every decision you make starts coming from his standards and not your old ones. And the second pillar is that we have system creation. So once the identity is clear, we build systems to match it. Not extreme, not all or nothing, just building strong habits through behavioral science. We identify and eliminate the friction points and behavior triggers, dial in training, nutrition, sleep in a minimalist way, the least amount of effort for the maximum result. And so we design routines that actually fit your schedule as a busy professional. Imagine this, you wake up full of energy, suddenly your mornings become your best part of the day. It feels like everything in life is happening for you and not against you. You have the confidence to tackle any situation and move through your day with ease. When your self-image is aligned, and your systems are dialed in, we go into the third pillar, which is execution, and this becomes effortless. No more white knuckling your way through a diet, no more falling off every time you travel, go out with friends, or have a stressful week. You think like a healthy person, so you act like a healthy person. And that is the whole point, because most programs just tell you what to do and they turn you into an order taker. I'm going to teach you how to think like a healthy, high-performing man, because when you think like that person, your choices will naturally follow. And so you've probably tried strict diets. You've probably tried going to the gym before and fell off. Maybe even lost weight a few times, but it never stuck. Why? Because you never changed the person doing the diet. You stayed the same guy on the inside, same self-image, same beliefs, same coping mechanisms, and as soon as life got stressful, you snapped back to default. And the difference here is simple. I teach you how to think and operate like that person that you envision, because then it will be effortless to become that person. Now, I do want to be upfront about something. This is a 90-day coaching program, and we're going to build a lean, aesthetic body in the most minimal, efficient way possible for you. It is not cheap. If you were living paycheck to paycheck, and if you genuinely don't have the money to invest in transforming your life, not just your body, then this is not the right time and this is not the right program for you. Because this isn't just about abs. This touches your mental health, your social life, your career and how you show up at work, your relationship with yourself, which affects every other relationship that you have. And if you want a bargain program, this is not it. And if you want an elite level transformation, keep listening. Here's how it works. Fill out the application. It takes about 3 minutes. Tell me where you're at, what you're struggling with, and what you want. And if you're approved, we'll make sure that we dive deep into your situation and build a clear game plan, and you'll get value whether we work together or not. On the call, once we decide if you're a good fit, if you're not willing to commit, not willing to take action, or you genuinely don't have the money, I will tell you no. I'm not interested in dragging anyone through this process. But if you are a fit, we'll discuss what working together looks like and get started right away. Let's say we don't work together. Fast forward 1 year ago from today. You wake up, look in the mirror, and nothing has improved. In fact, things are a little worse. You're invisible in social settings, you're more reluctant to take your shirt off at the beach, and you're more irritable with your friends and family because you're exhausted and unhappy with yourself. You're still living in caffeine, and aren't you a little too young to already have back and knee pain? Your biggest regret? You told yourself last year that you were going to change, and you didn't. And if you're honest, you've been telling yourself that every year. Another year of broken promises to yourself. Another year of watching other people transform their bodies while you sit on the sidelines. So here's the choice. You can stay the guy who hits snooze and can't stop eating snacks or desserts, hoping that one day he'll change, or you can step into being the high performer that you know you're supposed to be. The man with energy, presence, and a body that actually reflects his standards. And if you're ready to stop living the same year over and over again, and if you're ready to change who you are, then fill out the application right now. It takes 3 minutes, and if you're fit, we'll talk and I'll give you a clear plan and we'll decide whether to move forward.